Some time ago, I went to see an old friend of my father. He is an Ayurvedic doctor in Delhi, and he has been very popular for many years. When I was there, he had a patient. This man told that he likes eating meat and also drinks alcohol. When he heard this, the doctor got very angry and said, "Get out of here, I will not give you medicine like this. First, stop drinking and eat vegetarian food. Then you can come again." He is very old and has been working for more than 50 years in this way. Daily, more than 500 people come to his house and want to consult him, and he advises each person to be vegetarian because he knows that meat harms the body. So I wonder very much when people tell me about the advice their doctors in the West. Many times I am told that doctor said to eat meat. They say the body needs it if it should not get weak. This is a very crazy idea in my eyes. There are countries like India in which it is quite normal not to eat meat. The people there are not all sick and weak. Vegetarian food can provide all vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins and fat. Everything that the body needs for life. Vegetarian food is much more healthy, it is light and more easy digest than heavy meat in the stomach. It helps strengthening your immune system and your metabolism. I am really astonished when I hear that doctors suggest eating meat to be healthy. Many people know that they do not really feel good when they eat meat. They know that their body feels much better with light vegetarian nutrition, but they still eat meat. Many of them lack the courage to make the decision to be vegetarian. Everybody in their surrounding eats meat, so they eat it too. They do not follow the feeling of their body. Their body tells them that they have difficulties falling asleep after a steak for dinner. They know that some bread and salad or even warm vegetables would be much nicer, but they eat the steak. They were taught by society that meat is healthy and is rooted deep inside of many people. I even know vegetarians who would never eat meat again, but who feed meat to their children. They think the children need that. Doctors told them so. A crazy belief children need meat for being strong and healthy. These people would not eat meat themselves what they prepare for their children. You can have a fully balanced diet without meat too. Listen more to the feeling of your body and you will realize that your body prefers the vegetarian diet. It is much easier for the body. We are not made for eating meat. It is healthy to live in a vegetarian way. If whole nations can live healthily without meat, why shouldn't you be able to? Listen to what your body tells you and live in a healthy vegetarian way.